What AP classes do you take?
I take AP World.
I'm taking AP English Language Arts, AP Chemistry, and AP US History.
I'm taking AP Stats, Psych, Spanish, and Environmental Science.
AP US History and AP Lang.
AP Lang, AP Push, AP Environmental Science, and AP Art.
AP Psychology.
I'm taking AP Macroeconomics, AP US Government, AP Biology, and AP Statistics.
I'm taking AP World.
AP Environmental Science.
AP Environmental Science and AP Computer Science and AP Stats.
Why do you think people should take AP classes?
I like AP classes because they definitely prepare students for college level. We're kind of, a level above what you're going to find in your honors classes. And I like the range of information and texts that we use in the classes.
I think it's a very good way to get yourself out there in a way and step out of your comfort zone and to just look at school from a different perspective.
I think it's important just to get a grasp on, truly get a grasp on what you're learning about and go deeper into each topic, which I think is really important when considering about your future and what you're going to go into.
And you just kind of get to explore more in different topics than you would in a standard class, and you're there with a lot of people who also want to take that class, so you guys kind of form better bonds, I feel like.
People should take AP classes because it's really important to get college experience and college credits if you want to go to a good school in the future.
Derek DeSantis is a great teacher.
I think all the teachers are good and the classes aren't that hard.
Take A Push. We love Miss Dice.
I would say we have plenty of wonderful teachers here. For example, Mr. Hedrick, he's really fun, and I think that AP classes in general just allow for creativity and just in-depth learning, which is great.
Do you think it's important for AP classes to be diverse?
Yes, I do, and the AP Literature class is very diverse. We use a wide array of text and authors and different types of literature, and we read them, of course, and we talk about them and have a lot of really meaningful and insightful conversations. Everyone's opinion matters and everyone's interpretation matters, for sure.
I think it is important because it's just it's good for classes to be diverse in general and just people to be comfortable with all types of people they're interacting with.
In these classes, there's not usually a lot of diversity, but when there is, I think it's good to have input from a lot of different perspectives.
I would say just don't be scared to take them. I think a lot of people have the idea that they're more hard, but I wouldn't want to go in with that mindset. I say that they definitely are a challenge, but I don't think it's anything that would be a problem.
Because I think everybody has a unique experience, and it helps all of us when we can hear all of them. Yeah, and AP Literature is a great place for it.
Yes. Because I feel in a lot of our classes we do tend to talk a lot and have a lot of conversations, so kind of learning other people's opinions would be cool.
And could you tell us about the AP Capstone program?
I would love to tell you about the AP Capstone program. So this is a two-year program. The first year is seminar, which I will be teaching, and students will learn a lot about researching and real-world issues, looking at bias, looking at argument. There's a lot of collaboration, a lot of group projects, and a lot of writing. The second is research, where you get to pick your own topic of so many. You could talk about music, you can write about science, but you get to choose your own research topic and you study that all year long on your own, and at the end you do a really cool presentation for your AP score. I would say if you are curious, if you're self-motivated, if you can meet deadlines, if you love to research, if you love real-world issues, then you need to take AP Capstone. I will say the other thing about those two is that if you score a 3 in AP Seminar and AP Research and some other AP, you will get the AP Diploma, the Capstone Diploma.